Hello, children and families. How are you today? I hope you are really good. Today I'm bringing you another book in English. This time I recommend it for children between 2 and 6 years old and talks about our shadow and being scared of the dark. So yeah, this book can help us to talk about what are we scared of, what are our fears. So yeah, you could talk about this kind of things. I hope you like it. Teju's Shadow by Soap Martins, Dumisonioni Aisha O'Reilly. Let's start. Teju's Shadow. What's that? Teju hides. It won't find me here. He runs. Why are you following me? Leave me alone. Go away, go away, go away. Teju, what are you doing? It won't go away. Your shadow? It follows me everywhere. It's like a super secret spy. Well, there's one way to make a shadow disappear. Click. Mama! Later that night, in Teju's bedroom, the light goes off. And then on. Click. And off. And on. Click. Teju can't sleep. What's wrong, Teju? It only goes away in the dark, but I'm scared of the dark. Mom gives Teju a big hug. Do you want to see something amazing? Mom and Teju make shadow puppets until he falls asleep. After school, Teju waits for Mom. I'm bored. Teju stands up, he jumps, he dances. His shadow does the same. Cool. When he goes to bed that night, Teju leaves his night light on. Good night, Shadow. And this is the end of the book. I hope you like it, and let's have a think about what happens to Teju. What is he scared of? Is he sad? Is he angry? Is he scared? Is he happy? How is he feeling? And then by the end of the story, what happens to him and how is he feeling at the end of the story? And let's have a think about what are our fears, what are your fears? Do I have the same fears than you? Does mom, daddy, or the moms or dads or cousins, stepmoms, cousins, siblings, do we all have the same fears? Let's talk about this kind of things, okay? I hope you like it and see you on the next video. Bye bye, take care.